Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your presence with Snapchat, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your presence with Snapchat, first, understand your target audience. Research the demographics and interests of Snapchat users. Create a unique brand identity that resonates with your audience. Develop a content strategy that emphasizes authenticity and creativity. Focus on visual storytelling, using engaging images and videos. Plan a consistent posting schedule to maintain your audience's interest. Leverage Snapchat stories to share day-to-day updates and behind-the-scenes content. Utilize Snapchat's features like filters, lenses, and stickers to enhance your content. Engage with your audience through polls, questions, and challenges. Collaborate with influencers and other brands to expand your reach. Monitor your performance using Snapchat Insights to track engagement and growth. Analyze which types of content resonate most with your audience. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected to optimize future campaigns. Promote your Snapchat account across your other social media platforms. Consider using Snapchat ads to reach a broader audience. Participate in trends and challenges to increase visibility and engagement. Keep experimenting with different content formats to see what works best. Stay updated on Snapchat's evolving features and trends to remain relevant. Engage with your community by responding to messages and snaps. Foster a sense of community to build stronger connections with your followers. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your presence on Snapchat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.